Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about how to install Arduino IDE on Windows machine. If you don't know what is an Arduino and how to install it on the Mac machine, then the video link is given in the description. So please do check out. So without any further delay, let's get started. So what you need to do is just search for arduino.cc and hit enter. Now just go on software here. Then scroll down and here you can see a Windows 7 and newer zip file, Windows app. You can get it on directly on the Play Store and the Windows Store, but let's go here. Click on Windows 7 and newer and just download and just wait for a while. It's around 113 MB. It might take few minutes. So now that we have downloaded, just double tap on the link, the downloaded file, and it should pop up a setup for you. Let me just minimize this window here. So now just hit on yes and just say yes, and then let me just minimize again here, and I need to say that I agree, then just say next, and it is installing. Let's wait for a while. Even if you didn't get few pop-ups, that might be because of the permission things, and you don't need to worry about that. So it says completed. Let's close this, and here you can see the icon. So let's open up this Arduino IDE and let's test it. Okay, so the IDE is open here. What we can do is just run a blink sketch. Just go to files, examples, and here you can go for basics, and then here we have a blink sketch. So here you can see, let me just open this, and we will be exploring more about programming the Arduino, but for now let's test if it works. So as you can see, I have hooked up my Arduino Uno with a cable. So you do the same, and now I need to just configure the tools section here. Go to this, select on the port, and you can see COM4 and Arduino Uno. Just hit that, and it has auto detected the board, so you do not need to set. Even if it doesn't detect, what you need to do is just hover on this and just select Arduino Uno or whatever your board is right now. So just get this thing done, and what you need to do is, this is for compiling, and that says verify, and this is to compile and upload. So you can directly hit this, or you can just hit this, then hit this. So I'll be doing this upload. It says done uploading, and now here you can see on the board that the LED is blinking for a second. So it means that we have successfully configured the IDE and it's now compatible with Arduino. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more, make sure you hit like, share and subscribe. That's it from my side. My name is Nilesh Adalgi, and see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.